some change. Hello everybody, here again. I'm going to do another turning. That brings up a point I'd like to make. So I've been doing a lot of turning, and there'll probably be a lot more turning videos to come, but I am not in general strictly a wood turner. There's going to be a lot of other videos I'm going to be doing. I've got a series coming up of some blanket chests that I've built. I didn't want to do any videos on those and put them out until I finished, because they were actually gifts, and I wanted to give them before I publish the videos. But I'm going to do end grain cutting boards. I love to do those. I'll be showing when I do storage for my shop on how I'm doing that, and how I'm covering the walls in my shop, as well as eventually totally enclosing the rafters in my shop as well. I'm going to show all that. But I like to do furniture. I love to do cutting boards. I love to do bowls. I love to do everything when it comes to wood. And bowls are what I've got time for right now, given my current work situation. So here goes. I'm going to give you another. This is a piece of sycamore. I think I'm going to turn I'm going to try to turn a small vase here, and let's get this done. Also, like to remind you of my live show. It will be happening, trust me. And when it does, please watch, because all the people who leave comments, I will give the bowl to one of those people. Alright, so I've made some changes to the shape. Drilled out. Forgot I had turned it off. I apologize. But let me get some more filler in here. I'll be right back. That'll do. Woo! That was a catch. See how the walls look. Still pretty thick through there. Fine through here. Yeah, got a lot to take off on the bottom. Okay. I just love this Sycamore grain. Is absolutely beautiful. Alright, so now I got to turn this around. I'll have to get it on the cold jaws. Alright, so it's time to finish this bowl off, or vase, as it were. Let me do a little butt work here on the bottom, take the foot off, make a recess. So the reason you make a recess on the bottom is that if you try to make it perfectly flat, it'll never sit flat right. Any imperfection on the surface, it'll wobble. But if you make it recessed, it always will sit flat. Right. I call it a little vase. You guys can call it whatever you'd like. I still just love this Sycamore grain. It is really unmatched. This one had some cracks in it. I'm not super happy with how they came out, but you know what? It's a nice little piece, done quickly. Heading out on vacation tomorrow, so I'm trying to get one last turning in before I go. So, again, couple weeks, hopefully, have my live show going. Please stay tuned, and please click like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.